Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Android to scan your QR code. Using a QR scanner on Android is easy to do, and here are the simple steps to scan a QR code on your Android. First, unlock your Android phone, open the camera app, make sure photo mode is selected. Point the camera at the QR code, hold the phone steady, and make sure the code is clearly visible. Wait for the QR code to be detected automatically. Tap the link or pop up that appears on the screen. If nothing appears, tap the settings or the gear icon in the camera app. Turn on scan QR codes or Google Lens suggestions. Now go back and try scanning again. If your camera doesn't support QR scanning, open Google Lens. Tap search with your camera and point it at the QR code. Tap the detected result or link. Follow the on-screen instructions by opening the website, connect to Wi-Fi, etc. Extra tip: QR scanning works best in good lighting. Clear your camera lens if scanning fails. You can also scan QR codes from images using Google Photos, then Lens. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.